Good morning everyone. Welcome back to another class of graphic designing. In this class we're going to learn these tools right here. Alright, so first of all, as usual, we're creating a new document. Happy with my settings right here and click OK. Let's zoom it a little bit, something like that. So in this class we're starting with this guy here first. I'm going to talk about the pen tool later in the next class. In this video, I want to keep it just with this guy right here, from the freehand to 3-point curve. I'm going to talk about the pen tool in the next coming class. So let's start with the freehand. This is what the freehand can do. You can draw something like, let me zoom it. Let's say we want to draw something like this. This is the power of freehand. I'm using my mouse. This is the power of the freehand. You can create multiple shapes. If you're not happy with your line, don't worry, you can arrange it later. Just do something like this. Like that. If you're not happy with your line, don't worry, you can arrange it later. Like me, I'm not happy with my own. As you can see, I'm struggling to make this flower, but I'm not worried because I'll arrange it later. Right? So this is how it looks for now. So let's say I want to correct this line right here. I'll make sure I come over here to this guy right here. Where is he? Yeah. So I'm looking for this guy right here, smooth. So this is what the smooth does. You can see after I just picked it and this panel just open for me. Here you can see my, right now I have 20 point over here. That is why you can see my cursor has changed like this. You can increase it to 50. This is what you're gonna get, but I'll leave it 20 for now. So you can come right here, make sure you select it first like this, and then you select this guy right here. Then we just do something like this. You're gonna correct your line how they look. Let's say all of them like this, and you start just correcting them. That's how they look for now. All right, let's move on. Let's say you want to, let's draw maybe eye. The freehand is also good. You can use it to create just anything you want. Something like that with the eye. There you have it. This is the power of freehand, what it can do. Let's move on to the next one, which is this guy right here, 2-point line. This is how it works. Let's say you want to create a rectangle. I click, you drag it, click and drag it like this. You can hold shift to create a perfect circle, something like this. Just keep going. This is how you can create multiple shapes looking using this guy right here. It's really good too, trust me. You can do something like this, like that. You can just create anything you want. Right now it's one shape. As you can see, you can fill it with any color you want. This is really great. It helps me a lot. Let's say when I want to create a business card, let's say something like this. Let me do it right quick now with the blue color. This yellow. Let's say I have something like this, and this place I want to make it kind of this looking shape. This is what I'll do. I'll make a line. I use this guy. I make a line, and I use this guy right here, shape. Then I create a curve by coming here and just do something like this. Something like that. Let me zoom in so you see what we are working on. When you're happy with that, you can come and select this guy right here, the smart fill. You just fill this area with a different color. Let's say we fill it with purple with no stroke. Right, so this is the power of this line, this two-point line. So next we have Bézier. This is what Bézier can do. Bézier can help you make nice curves just like this. It works a little bit just like pen tool, but pen tool has more control than this one. But this one too is great, you know. You can create so many bunch of shape. Let's say you want to create a flower like this. Let's say you want to make a flower like this, like that. You can just create anything with this shape, with this tool, I mean. And you can fill it with any color you want. There you have it. This is how the Bézier works. So the next one is B-spline. The B-spline, this is how it works. So it's like this one too, I think is great. Is helping you create curves, some beautiful curves. Just like the Bézier, just like this one, you know. Let's create some beautiful looking. Let's say we have ears. Something like that, right? And create so many things using this guy right here. So next we have the polyline. Polyline, this is how it works. It works just like the first one, which is the freehand. but this one, as soon as you click it, is now changing. You drawing automatically. It's drawing automatically. Let's create one more. Let's say we have something like this. Or something, let's say we have a letter. You can use this guy to write, like to draw a letter. Let's say we have this beautiful looking E letter. Right, then you can still come here to this smooth and do something like this. Let's correct the lines. You can bring it over here, change the color of it with no stroke. There you have it. You can create more. Let's say we have here we have S, and do something like that. Something like that. All right, so let's move on. So next is this guy right here, 3-point curve. This is how it works. I never used this guy before, but I guess it does the pretty work. Let's try something new. Whatever. I think it's also great, but you just have to keep practicing, you know, like try your best to learn most of the tool by yourself, because the tool that I'm showing you, it's really very important. That is why I started with some great tool in the beginning of this course, because when you learn those tools first, trust me, it's going to boost your skills up by creating better content, you know. So we have more tool right here. Let's expand this guy right here. You can still practicing by yourself. Let's say you want to learn more how this guy work and all that, you can keep practicing. Me, I'm just showing you how it works. Let's talk about a little bit the pen tool. This is pen tool. What it does, I like using pen tool because pen tool you have more control to do just anything you want, to draw just anything you want. I recommend you to check my link in the description. You see some video, you see me drawing using the pen tool. I recommend you to watch that video, is in the description. All right, so I'm going to cover about the pen tool in the next coming video. I hope you enjoyed the class. Please subscribe if you know it, subscribe to the channel. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell. Next time when I do upload the video, you will not miss that video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next class. Take care and have a good day.